Hi, this is Tim Williams, your Peninsula College Instruction and Reference Librarian. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to do research in sciences. That's biology, any of the life sciences, chemistry, physics. So the first step is to remember your librarian is here to help you, usually here in the Port Angeles campus, but I frequently make visits to the Port Townsend and Forks campuses. So if you need to get in touch with me, shoot me an email, give me a call. I'd be happy to come visit you out in one of the extension sites or to work with you here in Port Angeles. Okay, so doing science research. First step, you want to look at the Peninsula College homepage and then go over to the library tab. Click on that. So this is our library homepage. Doing science research can be a little bit of frustrating. Doing any kind of research can be a little frustrating. I've created some tools to help minimize your stress level, and I hope they work. So let's take a look at some of those first. If you look on the left-hand side, under Library Home, you should see Research and Citation Guides. So go ahead and click on those, and it should open a new tab. And you will see a page that looks something like this. I'm going to continue to build these guides for different courses, different subject areas, so you might see a lot more traffic here later on. But all you need to do is either use the search bar for your specific subject, like biology, or you can look over on the left-hand side. There's science. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so there's science, and right now I've got two guides up. I've got one for evidence-based practice for the allied health students, and I've got one for biology research and citation. So let's look at that first. So this is what a research guide is. This is a live guide. On the first page, I've got this great TED Talk. I think it's 18 minutes long, but if you want to know what science is about and you want to watch this neuroscientist give a really, really entertaining and informative talk about science, watch it. Carve out some time in your schedule and watch it. It's a great, great video. Now, normally when we're talking about doing science research, the first thing that at least instructors and librarians think about, we're thinking articles. So if you click on this tab up here, the articles tab, you'll get to the articles page. Okay, so on the left-hand side, I've got a link to a website that offers 360-degree 3D human body maps. And they're really, really cool. I encourage you to check that out when you're in A&P or when you're focusing on the human body. It's a really cool resource. So when we're doing research in the sciences, we're looking in databases, we're looking in specific science journals. Okay? So the first link that I have up here in the articles tab is Academic Search Premier, and that's the main database that you're going to be using to find articles related to science topics. Okay, and underneath Academic Search Premier, I've got links to specific journals with specific articles in them. So the Journal Evolution, the Journal Evolution and Development, etc. All these are specific journals that are published periodically that contain peer-reviewed articles in the sciences. So if any of these look relevant to what you're studying, feel free to click on those and browse some of the articles that are contained within them. They should all have full text articles. All right, but let's take a look at Academic Search Premier. Let's just jump out from here and see what a database looks like. Okay, so there are a couple different ways to get at articles. One way is through typing in a keyword, and a keyword could be anything like ocean acidification. It could be a short phrase. Or it could be just one word. You don't want to type in a sentence or a question like, why is the sky blue? You don't want to do that to a database. A database is, I guess, trained or designed to find keywords or specific words that appear in articles, periodicals, etc. So you can type in a keyword like ocean acidification, and there, I don't know if you can see that, but when you start typing something, sometimes the database will recognize, oh, you mean this topic. Yeah, I got that. And so you can click on that, and it'll enter that, it'll auto-complete that topic for you. Before you hit search, red flag, siren. Before you hit search, click on the full text button so that you're getting the full text articles that are relevant to that keyword that you input. Okay? So, here you go. You've got something from Fish and Fisheries, September 2012, super current. It's only a year old. And it talks about ocean acidification. And then you get the full text, and look where the little red icon is at the bottom. That's the full text. So that's one way to search for articles, is by using the keyword and the autocomplete. Another way, if you look up at the top, you can click on Publications. Let's do that. And I usually go to match any words. I choose that option. And I would just pick the subject that you're looking for. So let's say you're looking for ecology. You want every journal title, and that's the magazine, the publication itself, every publication that has the word ecology in it. Let's look for that. And so it lists all of the journals in Academic Search Premier, the database, that contain the word ecology. And you want to look out for PDF full text, because if it doesn't say PDF full text or HTML full text, that means we're not going to give you any information there. So make sure it has something like this: PDF full text, HTML full text. So that's an overview of the live guide, the research guide that you can find in biology and soon to be chemistry and the other sciences. And it's also an overview of searching for peer-reviewed journals and journal articles in Academic Search Premier. I hope this was helpful. Good luck. And of course, if you have any questions, contact me at the library. Give me a call. Shoot me an email.